I know that it's been so long, and then I admit that I was wrong. The one who far with me, but I can't seem to run away. Thinking about it every day, I can't forget these memories. Though I shouldn't be surprised that teardrop forming in my eye. Why did I sit there and watch you other way? I thought that time we had me you on this bed I had to feel, but I always remember the day when the rain stopped falling. You were here with me through the night. You are all I see. But as I come closer, you would disappear. So I know that you were never really here. I'm trying hard to keep it in. Don't even know where to begin. You doing this to me. The feeling that I can't explain. What did you know anyway? I can't fight this emotion. Although I tried so hard, you had to leave me in the dark. No, we are stranger 1,000 miles apart. I thought restrained, I was lost on these memories of us, but I always remember the day when the rain stopped falling. You were by my side, and I'm left with no place to hide. On this bed I suffer, never goes away. I'm dreaming of you on a rainy day. I just don't know how we just fell apart so suddenly. No tell no when you're for me. I know that it's my fault. I was so blind from this ride. Now I'm left here alone in the night. When the rain stopped falling, you were here with me through the night. You are all I see. But as I come closer, you would disappear. So I know that you were never really here. You are like the raindrop falling from above, giving light to me with your love. Even gray clouds howling kinda make me bleed. On the rainy day I think of you and me.